If you want to make an airplane series on CapCut, then follow my instructions. First, tap that diamond over there. See the arrow? Wait for it. Wait for it. Tap it in the first of the overlay. If you want to make it longer, make it long. For seconds is okay. Now if I move the overlay with my hand, watch it. Okay. Now let's watch the results. Make it shorter and take off near the white diamond in the overlay. Alright, that's how you do it. If you want to make an airplane by yourself, then subscribe to me for more videos. This is a request from @SupSpeedy69. Thanks for watching.